Ever felt stuck with design tools that just don't fit?
Yes, always.
We all know online platforms can help, but when it comes to creating effective visuals for marketing, education, or investment, many tools are either too complicated or lack flexibility. Great visuals are key. Marketers need engaging designs, investors want polished pitch decks, and educators aim for materials that stand out. But why is it so tough to find a simple, customizable solution?
I want to know why! Why?
Most tools are either slow or too limiting. The solution: a tool that empowers you to design quickly and precisely. With AI-powered in-painting for detailed edits and vector art creation for scalable visuals, it lets you create professional-grade designs effortlessly. Whether it's for marketing campaigns, pitch decks, or educational content, you get full customization with ease.
Oh my god!
That's where Recraft AI comes in. In this video, we'll explore how Recraft AI is revolutionizing design, its top features, and how it empowers individuals and teams to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Introduction to Recraft AI. Recraft AI is an innovative design tool that uses artificial intelligence to simplify and enhance the creative process. By combining the power of AI with an intuitive interface, it allows users to create digital art, custom illustrations, and 3D graphics with minimal effort. Whether you're an artist, marketer, or content creator, Recraft AI helps you turn your ideas into stunning visuals that stand out. Now that you know what Recraft AI is all about, let's dive into its standout features that make it a game changer for creative professionals. Here are 6 amazing features of Recraft AI that simplify the design process and unlock your creativity. 1. Instant visual concepts. Forget starting from scratch. Recraft AI generates fully fleshed out visual ideas in moments. Whether it's creating a surreal forest or a corporate infographic, you just provide a prompt, and it delivers a masterpiece ready for fine-tuning. 2. Drag and drop 3D builder. Build and adjust 3D models as if you're playing with digital clay. Recraft AI makes it effortless to resize, reposition, and texture models for projects like product renders, immersive environments, or animation assets. 3. Dynamic theme generators. Create themed designs on the fly. Need an eco-friendly branding look or a retro poster vibe? The built-in theme generator tailors templates, fonts, and color schemes to match your creative direction instantly. 4. Intelligent style blending. Why stick to one aesthetic? Recraft AI lets you combine and blend multiple styles, merge abstract with realism or vintage with futuristic, for a unique, never-before-seen visual identity. 5. Team-friendly cloud workspace. Keep all your projects in one shared space. Recraft AI's cloud workspace makes organizing, sharing, and editing designs with team members a breeze, whether they're across the desk or the globe. 6. Seamless multi-platform exporting. Recraft AI ensures compatibility with any platform. Export designs optimized for websites, social media, presentations, or large-scale printing. No extra adjustments required. Tutorial: how to use Recraft AI for stunning designs. Step 1. Sign up and set up your account. Go to the Recraft AI website, sign up, and log in. The user-friendly dashboard will guide you through creating new projects or exploring pre-made templates. Step 2. Select a template or start from scratch. Choose a template from Recraft AI's library or start fresh with a blank canvas. Templates are organized by categories like social media, branding, or 3D design, making it easy to find the right fit. Step 3. Input your idea. Type in your concept or description. Recraft AI will instantly generate visuals based on your input, giving you a creative starting point. Step 4. Customize your design. Refine your design by adjusting colors, styles, and layouts. You can also add text, graphics, or effects to make your project unique. Step 5. Save, export, or share. Once your design is complete, save it to your project folder, export it in high resolution, or share it with your team for feedback. 5 ways Recraft AI can transform your workflow. 1. Social media graphics. Create scroll-stopping social media posts in minutes. Recraft AI generates designs that match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring your content stands out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. The platform offers customizable templates for different platforms, ensuring pixel-perfect visuals. Plus, its AI-driven design suggestions help you stay on trend with minimal effort. 2. Branding and marketing. Design stunning logos, banners, and promotional materials without hiring a professional designer. Recraft AI's templates and customization tools help you maintain brand consistency effortlessly. With built-in color palette recommendations and typography suggestions, your designs always look professional. It's perfect for small businesses looking to create high-quality visuals on a budget. 3. E-commerce product visuals. Need eye-catching product images? Recraft AI can create professional product renders or graphics that showcase your items in the best light, boosting engagement and conversions. Add detailed textures or realistic lighting to make your products pop. You can even create multiple design variations to test which visuals resonate most with your audience. 4. Art and illustrations. Artists can use Recraft AI to experiment with new styles, generate concepts, or create finished pieces. It's a great way to explore ideas and speed up your creative process. From generating intricate patterns to enhancing hand-drawn sketches, the tool supports your artistic vision. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, Recraft AI makes creativity more accessible and efficient. 5. Team projects. Collaborate with teammates on presentations, branding, or creative campaigns. Recraft AI streamlines the workflow, making it easy to share designs, gather feedback, and finalize projects together. Real-time editing features ensure everyone stays on the same page without lengthy back-and-forth emails. This makes it ideal for remote teams working on fast-paced creative projects. 5 powerful advantages of using Recraft AI. 1. Effortless inspiration. Struggling with creative block? Recraft AI provides endless ideas with its AI-powered generators. Whether you need an innovative product concept or an eye-catching campaign visual, the tool keeps your creativity flowing. 2. Cost-effective for any budget. From freelancers to big companies, Recraft AI is an affordable solution for delivering high-quality designs. It reduces reliance on large design teams, freeing up budget for other priorities. 3. Beginner to pro ready? No design degree? No problem. Recraft AI's guided features are perfect for novices, while advanced customization tools cater to seasoned professionals who demand greater control over their projects. 4. Industry-spanning utility. Whether you're crafting e-commerce product images, marketing materials, game characters, or presentation slides, Recraft AI adapts seamlessly to your industry needs. It's your one-stop design powerhouse. 5. Unmatched creative consistency. Recraft AI ensures all your outputs are visually cohesive. Its advanced algorithms match colors, proportions, and styles across your designs, ensuring you maintain a recognizable and professional brand identity. 3. Disadvantages of Recraft AI. 1. Subscription cost. While Recraft AI offers a free trial, its premium features require a subscription, which might be a hurdle for users with tight budgets. For casual users or those with limited design needs, the recurring cost may outweigh the benefits. Additionally, some competitors may offer similar features at lower price points, making it less appealing for budget-conscious creators. 2. Internet dependence. Recraft AI is cloud-based, meaning it requires a stable internet connection to function. This can be a drawback for users in areas with unreliable connectivity or those who prefer offline design tools. Limited access could hinder productivity during critical moments. 3. AI dependency. Relying too heavily on AI-generated designs might reduce the personal touch or originality in your projects. Over time, this could lead to designs that feel generic or lack emotional resonance. Balancing AI assistance with your own creativity is essential to ensure your work stays unique and impactful. Conclusion. Recraft AI is a powerful design tool for anyone looking to simplify and enhance their creative process. From social media graphics to 3D models, it offers a wide range of features that cater to beginners and professionals alike. While it has some limitations, its time-saving benefits and user-friendly tools make it a must-have for modern content creators. Fun fact about Recraft AI. Did you know that Recraft AI's algorithms are trained on millions of design examples? This allows it to mimic various artistic styles and generate visuals that look like they were made by a pro. Ready to level up your design game? Hit that subscribe button for more tips, tools, and tutorials. Stay tuned for more ways to make your creative projects shine.